Namaste and welcome back to Prisha R.L. Shah. Today, we're excited to take you on a virtual tour of one of Lucknow's best budget-friendly hotels, the Classic Residency Hotel, nestled in the prime area of Mahanagar, Lucknow. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or even solo, this hotel promises comfort, convenience, and a warm stay without burning a hole in your pocket. Let's start with the location. The Classic Residency Hotel is perfectly situated in a peaceful yet well-connected part of Mahanagar. No noisy streets or chaos here, just a calm environment to relax after a day of exploring Lucknow's rich culture and delicious food. And guess what? The famous Nagar metro station is just a 3 to 4 minute walk away, making it super easy to commute across the city. Need a cab? No problem. You'll find plenty of options right outside the hotel. Now let's step inside. The hotel staff greets you with genuine warmth, always ready to help with a smile. Their hospitality truly makes you feel at home. The rooms? Spacious, clean, and thoughtfully designed for families, groups, or solo travelers. Each room comes with AC, a fridge, a cupboard, and complimentary water bottles. And yes, tea and coffee lovers, you're covered too, because who doesn't love a hot cuppa to start the day? The attached washroom is spotless, well-maintained, and stocked with essentials like shampoo, toothpaste, a toothbrush, shaving cream, and even a razor, so no last-minute panic if you forget something. From Mahanagar, get ready to cruise on some of Lucknow's finest roads. Wide, clean, and beautifully maintained, almost like an international highway. The moment we hit the Shahid Path, you'll notice how the city blends modern infrastructure with lush greenery. Look outside. The tree-lined dividers, the smooth curves, and the overhead metro bridges give this route such a premium feel. The best part? The wide, open roads with minimal traffic make driving an absolute pleasure. No bumps, no chaos, just a perfect family ride. And here's the gorgeous elevated section where you get a panoramic view of Lucknow's skyline. The flyovers and underpasses ensure a seamless drive, while the well-planned greenery on both sides keeps the air fresh and the mood lively. It's not just a drive, it's an experience.
सीट बेल्ट लगा सीट बेल्ट लगा सीट बेल्ट होटल एक बढ़िया है ताज होटल नाम सुना होगा ताज होटल ताज है ना ताज होटल मुंबई वाला ना ताज होटल ये ताज महल
ये छोटा है
छोटा नहीं बड़ा है
उधर से थोड़ा छोटा है
नहीं उससे छोटा है बस छोटा है पार्क है यहाँ घूमने का शाम को इवनिंग में बहुत बढ़िया ड्रेसअप होता है यहाँ पे
ये पार्क का
बगल में बढ़िया पार्क है
कितना बजे तक खुल रहा है भाई साहब
आई थिंक 9 या 10 तक रहता है
ये अंदर पार्क है ही वो देख रहे हैं ना
आप आलमबाग वाले जाएंगे क्या आलम वाले जाएंगे क्या फोनिक्स मॉल
सॉरी
आलमबाग जाएंगे क्या फोनिक्स मॉल
फोनिक्स मॉल वही देखा रहे वो लुलु का नजदीक है ना वो मॉल
नहीं ये प्लासियो ये तो यहाँ पे घूमने का आपने दूसरा ले रखा है आपने दूसरा ले रखा है मुझे लगा वो है
ये कौन सा मॉल है इधर ये लोकेशन डाला है ना वो
आपके वहाँ भी चलता है क्या ये रेपिडो ऊपर आपके यहाँ भी चलता है
नहीं हमारा उधर तो इन ड्राइव है
सेंडर चलता है
हाँ इन ड्राइव है पठाओ है
हाँ
नेपाल का
to all kinds of shoppers. Fashion and apparel. Luxury brands, Armani Exchange, Michael Kors, Tommy Hilfiger. Premium brands, H&M, Zara, Marks and Spencer. Lifestyle Indian wear, Manyavar. Hub, PVR, gaming zones, and fun activities for families. Safe and clean environment, well maintained with security and hygiene standards. Architectural beauty, a blend of modern and traditional design. Best time to visit weekdays, morning, afternoon, less crowded, evenings and weekends. Lively atmosphere with events.